So this is why the trains just stopped running. They started to put new ballast on the tracks. I heard this from my room. So there's the truck right there. So the trains won't be running to the 31st of March. I think it's clogged up. I think it might be clogged up. It's pretty good, right? Oh, there goes the bucket. It's going up. Look at that, the front of it. Look at the front of it. It's got special wheels. Look at the wheels on that. That's awesome. Now that's cool. You never see that in once in a life. They probably do this about every 3 months, I think. Freightliner, the truck is. The train gets it going down. It's so funny. So I don't know if you can hear that, but the train gates are going down. It's because it's on the wheels. It's so funny because they need a... I wish I was down there so I could see it when it goes off the rails and when it goes on the rails. It'd be so good. But you can see exactly where the new ballast is and how it all the way goes all the way down there. So that was the ballast video. So I'm gonna end the video there with Luna. Luna! Hello!